Hi, I'm Pieter Louis Leroux, and this is my wife Tarina, and we are the proud owners of Wild Footprint Safaris. Our families have been living in Africa for the last 360 years, on which we were farmers and hunters. I had been hunting professionally for the last 19 years with various outfitting companies in Southern Africa, in countries like Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. We offer you excellent plains game and big five safaris in these regions, with rifle and bow. We are also affiliated members of Safari Club International and FASA, and we guarantee you the best hunting safari of your life in Africa.
Our niche market is families, couples and friends, and we are a big family also. We have 4 girls. Not only do we offer you excellent hunting, but we also arrange time for you as a group to enjoy a bit of scenery in Africa, like a visit to a Big 5 game park in our region, hot air balloon rides, a visit to the lion park and interaction with real lions. We also offer you elephant back safaris and interaction with them, and of course shopping.
Book with us Wild Footprint Safaris, and you can have the hunting vacation of a lifetime in Africa.